Hello, it's Zumzy. Let's go for a ride, come with me. A red fire truck goes wheel-wheel, racing to help, there's work to do. One red truck with a ladder so tall, wheel-wheel, it helps us all. A yellow school bus goes beep-beep-beep, picking up friends, no time to sleep. Two big wheels go round and round, beep-beep-beep, what a happy sound. Vroom vroom, ride with me, so many vehicles you can see. Honk your horn and count with glee, down the road so happily. A blue little car goes vroom vroom vroom, zooming down the street, making room. Three cars driving in a row, vroom vroom, off they go. A green garbage truck goes rumble rumble, picking up the cans without a fumble. Four cans lift, get up, they fly, rumble rumble, wave goodbye. Vroom vroom, ride with me, so many vehicles you can see. Honk your horn and count with glee, down the road so happily. Choo choo choo, the train comes through, jogging down the track, hello to you. Five little cars all in a line, choo choo choo, the train is mine. Let's count our rides, come on, let's go. One fire truck, two the bus in a row, three the car and four the truck, five the train, what luck! Time to park them all, hooray! What a super drivey day. Bye-bye friends, fun spent, wee! See you next time, bide with me.